Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Traveler's Notebook limited edition haul. This is the last purchase that I made in 2022. It was a pre-order that I placed with USA Traveler's Notebook. That's Bruce's chain that you're hearing, or his collar. But it arrived today. Today's the 13th. They were available for shipping yesterday, which was the 12th. And I'm in Southern California, and this package came from Long Beach. So it arrived rather quickly via FedEx. So this is what it looked like. It had a covering on it, you know, like the plastic shipping cover. And so this is the box. Here is what it looks like. This is the flyer newsletter that they, I guess, include. Ooh, this is neat. With the order. Sorry about that, that's Bruce. I'm gonna have to read this later. This looks really cool. Bruce. Hold on, Bruce. Sorry about that. Bruce is my English Bulldog, in case you didn't know. So I gotta read this later. That's really cool. So I ordered a few items. This looks to be their holiday freebie. Is it a sticker? Sticker, probably. And then this is the Traveler's Diner. I think it's a coaster. That was included with the order. And again, I placed this order last year when we were allowed to go ahead and start ordering. This is their brass tag, and I picked the, is it Mount Fuji? That's what that looks like. I'm thinking about hanging it on one of my notebooks. I ordered two of these little limited edition. These are passport size, and my husband loves Volkswagens. He won't be using this. He doesn't journal at all, but I wanted to have one. I'm thinking about sending one to a friend. I ordered two of these. I think these are also limited edition. And since I live in Southern California, I just thought it was appropriate to have. And I'm also thinking about sending this to a friend. Keeping one, sending the other to a friend. I guess I'll put that over there. So this is the Traveler's Diner limited edition set. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the wrapping, and then I'll be right back. Okay, Bruce is still gnawing on his bone, so I guess I'll just let him go at it. So this is the box. I took the plastic wrapping off. So this is everything that's included in the box. So it comes with a cotton bag, the leather cover, camel color. There is a brass charm car, a brass charm mug. There are a refill. There are two postcards, two designs, and then there's stickers with 9 designs, and then a leaflet, which I think is this guy right there. So let's go ahead and open that. I guess I'll put that there. So this is part of the limited edition US version. Last year I did pick up the passport. This is my first passport, limited edition train. This is my wallet. I've been using it as a wallet, and I also have a Hobonichi A6 weekly supplement, as well as a monthly calendar in here. So that's this one. And then I also purchased part of the limited edition set. This is the plain, I think they called it the plain limited edition. This is supposed to be a dark blue, though it does look kind of black. But I use this one for my writing. I keep my characters in here on the inside the different notebooks. But I love this guy too. So going back to this, I think the stickers might be in here. Yep. Okay, so these are really pretty. We actually live a few miles away from Route 66, So it'd be kind of nice to use this my goal this year is to try to go out a bit more with my husband on weekends and visit places to eat, which is also a contradiction because I also want to get fit and start eating better. But I think it might be fun to visit the diners along, well, the diners, the restaurants along Route 66. And then writing it in the notebook. Guess I'll put him up there. This one's really pretty. So a lot of the stickers are foiled. Guess I'll put that one there. Pretty cool. So here's another one. I think the charms are in this one. So I guess I'll put him on this side. Like a mug. Pretty cool. And then here's, kind of looks like an Oldsmobile. So this will go on the string, kind of like the train, and then you can kind of slide it back and forth if you'd like. And then the cup, this little guy. Oops, this is not the right one. You could hang it off like that, off of the string. So here are the two brass charms. This one's really nice. I own a 68 Ford Mustang. Used to be my daily driver. I'm gonna be in trouble if Traveler's Notebook does an old Ford Mustang on its cover. So in here are the two postcards. So pretty. And here's the second one. That's neat. So I guess I'll lay this over here on this side too. And now we come to the Traveler's Notebook itself. So here's the insert. This is actually the, let's see, this is like the third, this is my third real Traveler's Notebook. In case you didn't know, you can keep the string for this and then reuse it, you know, on your regular sized. Oh, this is so pretty. So there's a little insert of how to care for the leather item. I do have my front door open, so you might be hearing my neighbor. Kind of reminds me of Vegas, you know, with their sign outside on the outskirts as you're driving in. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty. So I hope you can see that. Here's the back. This is my first camel. This is the inside, and it's really soft. This is the inside notebook. Everyone is welcome here. Oh, this is really neat. It's a menu. And then here's the back. Yep, this will be really fun to use when we start eating out on the inside the restaurants on Route 66. This is really nice. So this is a very quick unboxing haul of my limited edition Traveler's Diner notebook. This is the regular size in the camel color. And then here are all the stickers, the two, well, these didn't come with it, the two brass items, the two free postcards. Pretty neat. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. I generally do after the pin videos in my Happy Planner and my Hobonichi A6 and my Hobonichi A5 diary. So sign up if you'd like to see that. And if not, have a good weekend and I'll see you guys around. Bye.